Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, you cannot transfer Ethereum directly from Trust Wallet to Cash App. Instead, you need to use a crypto exchange as a middle step. In this tutorial, we will use Binance. Start by opening Trust Wallet and selecting Ethereum. Tap Send. Then open Binance. Access the Assets section from the bottom and tap Deposit. Next, choose Ethereum, select the correct network, and copy the deposit address. Now go back to Trust Wallet, paste the Binance deposit address, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. It may take a few minutes for the funds to appear in Binance. Once the Ethereum arrives in Binance, convert it to USD. Simply, open Binance, tap on the Binance icon at top left corner, and then access all of the services. Now, scroll down a little bit, select Convert, select Ethereum, and swap it for USDT. After the conversion, go to the P2P trading section. For that, get back to the Binance homepage and select P2P from the top. Inside it, tap Sell and search for Cash App inside the Payment Method section. Next, choose a vendor with a good rate and proceed with the sale. Enter your Cash App username, also known as your cash tag, along with your email address. Double-check the details before confirming the transaction. The funds will be transferred to your Cash App, usually within 30 minutes. So that's basically how you can transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.